Welcome to episode 11 of Echo Without Noise. Focus on the landing, not the spin. Led by dreams, navigating life's curveballs. There's a quote I come back to again and again: don't be pushed by your problems. Be led by your dreams. And when I first heard it, I thought, how idealistic. How poetic. But life isn't neat. It doesn't wait for us to be ready. It throws curveballs. Plans unravel. People disappoint. Our own minds whisper doubts we don't always know how to silence. I've been there. Some days I wake up overflowing with purpose. The ideas pour out, the energy feels infinite, and my work feels meaningful. Other days, I don't even remember what I was chasing. I feel cloudy, brittle, uncertain. That's when the quote comes back. Not as poetry, but as survival. I've learned that problems aren't the signal to stop. They're terrain. Rough spots. Weather. They don't define the journey. They shape it. And your dreams, they are the compass. Every time I work on something that matters to me, problems show up. Every time. It's like they know when I'm trying to rise. But instead of letting them push me down, I've learned to ask, what is this problem trying to teach me? And from that question, something shifts. I fall. I get back up. I try again, sometimes shaky, sometimes sure. But I keep going. Because this dream, it's mine. And I refuse to let fear write the ending. You don't have to be ready. You don't have to be perfect. You just have to be willing to show up, to breathe through the chaos, to trust the landing, even when the spin makes no sense. So if today feels twisted, if life has thrown another curveball, remember this: the spin is temporary. Your direction is eternal. Let your dreams lead. Let your mistakes teach. Let your breath anchor you. And keep walking. Because success isn't the absence of problems. It's the quiet refusal to stop, just because they showed up. Let your problems shape your path, but not your spirit. Be led by your dreams. Always.